Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, you're in the right place. Today, we're going deep into crypto trading in 2025, and not just the basics, but real, actionable strategies for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and altcoins that can help you trade smarter, not harder. What you learn, the state of crypto markets in 2025, how to choose which coins to trade, strategies that work in today's volatility, risk management techniques that protect your capital, real trade examples, and mindset tips. Stick till the end, because these aren't hype strategies. They're the steps that separate the winners from the losers in crypto. 1. The 2025 crypto market landscape. In 2025, crypto is no longer the Wild West. Some major shifts. Institutional adoption is mainstream. Hedge funds, banks, and large companies are investing. Regulation clarity in many countries. Rules around taxes, custody, reporting. Layer 2 and scaling solutions dominate Ethereum and other chains, reducing fees and improving speed. DeFi, NFTs, utility tokens now have real use cases, not just speculation. Volatility is still strong, but patterns and sectors are more reliable. Because the market is maturing, simple buy when it pumps strategies won't work anymore. You need sharper entry, exit, and risk rules. 2. Key assets. What to focus on. Bitcoin, BTC. Still the flagship, acts as a trend anchor. Less volatile than many alts, but when it moves big. If BTC breaks direction, many alts often follow. Ethereum, ETH, and Layer 1 chains, backbone of decentralized apps, smart contracts, DeFi. ETH gives clues about how altcoins will perform. Other chains, Solana, Avalanche, etc., offer cross-trading opportunities. Altcoins, higher reward, higher risk. Many tokens are driven by real projects. DeFi, AI, Web3. Must pick carefully. Research, utility, team matter. Use a balanced strategy across these. BTC for stability, ETH for momentum, ALTS for explosive gains, with caution. 3. Foundations before you trade. You cannot trade wisely without strong foundations, market cycles, and sentiment. Know if we're in accumulation, bull run, or correction. Volume and liquidity. Avoid tokens with low volume. They are easily manipulated. On-chain and fundamental data. Active users, staking metrics, developer activity, news and catalyst awareness, upgrades, regulation updates, partnerships. These will move price. 4. Strategies to use in 2025. Here are the strategies that work now, tested in current market conditions. A. Trend, momentum strategy. Identify strong trending coins. Use EMAs, e.g., 20 and 50, or MACD to confirm direction. Enter on pullbacks within the trend. Ride until reversal signs emerge. B. Breakout strategy. Spot consolidation zones, triangles, channels. Enter when price breaks above resistance or below support with volume. Watch for fake breakouts. Use stop losses. C. Mean reversion, pullback plays, in sideways or after big moves. Price often returns to the mean. Use RSI/stochastic to find overbought/oversold levels. Enter when price pulls back toward moving average or midpoint. D. Swing trading multi-day setups. Hold for several days or weeks. Use combo of trend plus breakout plus support/resistance. Less stress than intraday. More time for better decisions. E. Options/futures for advanced traders. Use leverage carefully. Hedge your holdings with options, calls/puts. Understand implied volatility Greeks. Only do this when you're experienced. Mistakes here are costly. 5. Your daily, weekly crypto routine. Trading is not one trade, it's a system. Here's a sample routine. Morning check. Global markets, crypto, stocks, macro news, major news, announcements. Scan top 5 coins for setups. Midday monitoring. Watch your open positions, adjust stop losses if needed. Avoid new entries during high volatility bursts. Unless clear setup, evening/review. Journal your trades. Enter, exit, reason, emotion. Review what worked and what didn't. Plan next day's watch list weekly review. See overall win-loss rate. Adjust strategies. Rebalance your portfolio or assets. 6. Risk management and money protection. Crypto can destroy accounts fast if you don't protect yourself. Risk only 1 to 3% of total capital per trade. Always use stop losses. Use position sizing so losses are manageable. Use trailing stops to lock in profits. Diversify. Don't put everything in one coin. Don't chase. Often entry after pump leads to trap. 7. Psychology. The mind behind the trade. Markets are mental war zones. The biggest threats: FOMO, fear of missing out; panic selling, greed, holding too long; revenge trades after loss. Rules to follow: stick to your plan. Don't deviate based on emotion. Take breaks. Use rules, not gut feel. 8. Real trade examples. Let's walk through a couple of hypothetical but realistic cases. Example 1. Bitcoin trend trade. BTC breaks above $50,000 with strong volume, a pullback to $48,500, touches 50 EMA. Enter long. Stop just below swing low. Target next resistance at $53,000. Example 2. Altcoin breakout. Altcoin consolidates between $2.20 and $2.60 for 10 days. Breaks $2.60 with volume. Enter breakout. Stop under $2.55. Target major resistance zones. Example 3. Mean reversion. Play token shoots plus 40% in one day. RSI greater than 85 next day, retraces 15%. Enter at pullback, expecting reversion to average. These examples help you see strategy in action, but always adapt to context. 9. Advanced tips and edge moves. Track whale movements. Large wallets using on-chain trackers. Use order book depth and liquidity zones. Combine multi-time frame analysis. Daily plus 4 hours plus 1 hour. Use alerts, scanners, bots to spot setups automatically. Keep an eye on gas fees, network congestion, major impact on ETH trades. 10. Expectations. What you can realistically earn. Don't expect to make millions overnight. Smart goals. With $10,000 capital, 1 to 2% daily is realistic. 100 to 200. Some days you will lose. That's normal over weeks and months. Compounding matters most. If you execute well, some traders double or triple their accounts in months. Remember, capital preservation greater than profit chasing. 11. Wrap up and mindset. Crypto trading in 2025 is not easy. It's a constant learning curve. But combine strategy plus accuracy, strong risk control, emotional discipline, and you will be in the top 10% who actually make consistent gains. Thank you for watching Crypto Trading 2025. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and altcoins strategies. Drop a comment. What coin or strategy you want me to break down next? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more. Thumbnail prompt an idea. To catch USD audience attention, your thumbnail must be bold, clean, emotional, and curiosity-provoking. Prompt for AI/designer. Create a vibrant YouTube thumbnail, 16:9, for Crypto Trading 2025 video. Use a dark, futuristic background. Feature Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the glowing altcoin logo. Big bold text, Crypto 2025 secrets, or trade to $300 per day, or something attention-grabbing. Use contrasting colors like neon green, gold, and white. Add arrow up, $sign icons. Avoid clutter, eye-catching and professional. Thumbnail text ideas. Short, Crypto 2025 secrets, $300 daily strategy, BTC/ETH, alts mastery. Here's a sample style for inspiration. Use one of these images as base or idea. Then overlay your custom text, coin logos, and color scheme.